a standing desk?
Neat. Sure.
Look at the IKEA bucket hat.
Yeah, it's cute. Recycled out of the thing. Oh.
Maybe like 2 seconds at our house. What?
I like the hamper. Do that. Drawers, pull those open. Let's see what's cooking inside of that.
It's gonna get organizers.
Yeah.
You can get off Amazon for nothing.
Push. And then go with the other one. So just bottom one for towels. Would you like this kind of a shower to where you just come in, or?
I wouldn't like that too clear.
Mine's clear.
I know, but you're the only one that uses the shower.
Baby, nobody's in there when you're in there. Do what?
I said sometimes.
Who?
Like sometimes like people go in here because like poop.
Well, tell them lock the door.
Also, it'll be foggy.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is it. Just wouldn't have the hood.
No.
And this would probably be what, 2 chairs instead of 4?
Yeah, it would go to
I hate that little sink though.
go to here. Well, we could do a double sink.
I know.
It would come to out here. And then have cabinets here.
I do like seeing in them.
Really?
Yeah, it makes you clean them. Takes clutter away. Listen.
We need a mudroom, just like this.
We don't have room for a mudroom.
to put a mudroom? We can use your room. Okay,
Yeah.
my room is the size.
All right, you can sleep on the couch downstairs. Not a big fan of that blue.
I love it.
Uh,
I like that. I don't like that.
I don't like it at all.
I like the top. I like the fruit.
I like that.
Oh, this is my
I can't wait to go back and watch this video in 20 years and see Stella living in like a 1-bedroom apartment.
No, that's gonna be our first house. We just saved up the money. Look at that kitchen. They're building new. They're like, Steve, this is what we're doing.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, inspiration tells you what it's gonna look like.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be free. That's really good. It's in the garage.
Yeah.
I mean, they got everything.
Yeah, they sure do.
Look how cool that is. Like if you had like sports kids.
Yeah.
That's,
I do love, if I could tell we're in Minnesota with a hockey stick.
yeah.
That would be a baseball bat. I don't know if I like these or not. I think I would like them if there was a different color handle, but I do
I
like
don't
that
like-
big
I don't
ass.
like these
I
handles.
do like that big
Oh.
double sink. Those are deep. I do like that.
Yeah, and then it has top drawer.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Look, they're
Yeah, they're self-closing. Like, I wish we could do this on the side. I know we can't, but like switch the sink for the stove.
get ready to sell
What do you think about that? This.
Chair?
Yeah, like the whole setup. Not this, but
I like this. I can do that. Actually,
have a
you can have your dad chair.
have a lay. Have a lay. See if you fit.
Oh yeah, I'm
Piece of cake. Hey, like a deal. All right. I like that table. I hate that chair, but I like this couch. Yeah. Seats. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
At an IKEA so we can decorate them.
Yeah.